Welcome to Sri Guru Sudhindra College, the Department of Computer Applications. Today's topic is email. Email is the short form for electronic mail, and email is the information stored on a computer that is exchanged between the users over telecommunication or internet. Or we can say an email is a message that may contain texts, images, files, or other attachments sent through a network to a specific individual or a group of individuals. The first email was sent by Ray Tomlinson in the year 1971. Let us discuss the advantages of email over a simple postal mail. The first advantage is free delivery. We can send an email free of cost. Sending an email is virtually free, bearing the cost of internet service. There is no need to buy a postal stamps to send an email. The second point is global delivery. The email can be sent to multiple people simultaneously nearly anywhere in the world. The third point is instant delivery. Unlike postal mail, an email will be delivered to the specified individual instantly. The fourth point is file attachment. An email can include one or more attachments of text, image, or multimedia files. The next point is long-term storage. We can store the mails electronically for a long period of time for the future use. And the last point is environmentally friendly. Since it is paperless, we can conserve the paper resources. Email messages pass through a series of hosts or routers that directs them to their intended destinations, and this creates the possibility of a security liability. There are several protocols designed and implemented for the email communication through the internet, and the first one is SMTP, and it stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is an application layer protocol used by the clients to send the mail to the server. It uses TCP port number 25, and it is a push protocol, means used to send the mail, and to receive that mail the server uses IMAP or POP protocol. It requires each message to be in 7-bit ASCII format. It cannot be used for the languages which are not supported by 7-bit ASCII characters such as Chinese, Japanese, French, German, Russian, etc. And also it cannot be used to send audio or video files. To overcome these limitations, the server started using the MIME protocol, which stands for Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. It is a supplementary protocol that allows non-ASCII data to be sent through SMTP. The MIME protocol converts the non-ASCII data at sender server to the ASCII and delivers it to the client server through internet. The message at the receiving end is converted back to its original data. We can say a MIME protocol as a set of software functions that converts or transforms non-ASCII data to ASCII data or vis-a-vis. The next protocol is SMIME, and it stands for Secured Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. It is same as MIME protocol, but it performs end-to-end encryption of the mail using public and private key